You've shared that you like a bit of the boundary pushing, after
Yes.
13 seasons, keeping it fresh. We got to see some amazing new sets last year and a bit of that boundary pushing. Is that something that we can expect early on this season?
Yeah. I mean, I will say, so we did, and this happens all the time. You shoot some stuff makes it, stuff doesn't. We were pretty over on our first block, and some stuff had to get reshot. And so I haven't seen one and two. I know you guys have seen one and two, but I will say there is. We did push a boundary in right near the end of the season. There's a shot, and we've never used this type of rig before, and this camera, and you're gonna think it's green screen, but it is not. It is real, and I was part of it. It was terrifying, and I don't know. We can talk about this later, I guess, when you see it. But we did push a boundary in the very first. We did a first this season, on something that's never been done before, and there's a lot of skepticism about it, if it was going to work or if it wasn't going to work. Some people were very much in the "it's not going to work" camp, and I think they all got proven wrong. They had to eat their hat because it worked really well. And yeah, when I think about pushing a boundary, I think about that particular shot.